Google Ads to promote YouTube channel. Is it worth it? Welcome to our guide on using Google Ads to boost your YouTube channel. If you're looking to grow your audience, you might be wondering whether Google Ads is the right tool for you. First, let's consider how Google Ads works. It allows you to target specific audiences with tailored ads, ensuring your videos reach viewers who are more likely to be interested. This means you can specify demographics, interests, and even keywords to connect with potential subscribers. One advantage of using Google Ads is the speed. Unlike organic growth, which can take time, ads can quickly increase views and engagement. This can be particularly beneficial for new channels looking to get an initial boost. However, it's essential to weigh the costs. Running ads requires a budget, and you'll want to ensure that the potential return on investment aligns with your goals. Keep in mind that while ads can increase visibility, they don't guarantee lasting subscriber engagement. Creating quality, compelling content is key to maintaining viewer interest. To make the most of Google Ads, you should monitor ad performance regularly. This helps in optimizing your strategies and ensuring your spending is effective. Many creators find success by running short campaigns to test what works best for their audience. In summary, Google Ads can be a powerful tool for channel promotion, especially if used strategically. It's worth considering as part of a broader growth plan that includes content quality and community engagement. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on growing your YouTube presence.